Now let's say you purchase crypto with credit card or any other method and you want to check out your wallet to see if the crypto is there. So you will just go to wallet and click fiat and spot. And here you will be able to see which crypto and how much of it you have for each one of them. If you want to deposit from another exchange, let's say you have a Coinbase account and you just want to deposit. So you just click here, deposit. You will select the network. So for example, if I'm depositing Bitcoin, you need to select Bitcoin. So this will be my deposit address. So you will just copy this, and when you go to Coinbase, you log in, and when they ask the address to withdraw, you will just paste this address, and the Bitcoin will appear here after the confirmation. So you just go back to the spot wallet, and you will be able to find your Bitcoin there when it arrives. You can also check the transaction history. If you want to withdraw to your own personal address, you can just click withdraw. When you create your Binance account, you want to make sure to use a referral code, because the referral code will give you discounts every time you trade on the spot market. In order to find the referral code, just go to the link below. It will be the best referral code that you can get because we are a Binance affiliate that will give you the highest discount possible. So it will be a lifetime 20% trading fee discount on Binance plus a $50 welcome bonus. So those are the basics. I have a lot of Binance tutorials which are more advanced, so make sure to check out the playlist on my YouTube channel. I am How to Buy Bitcoin. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe if you want more tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.